This parade is the longest running children's parade in the world. So for 121 years, it outpaces any other parade for children. It started small. The very beginning, the first year, I was just riding in a wagon. That's all it was, just me and a horse on a wagon. Now look at it.
And what's special about the parade are all the happy, smiling faces along the parade route.
That doesn't change.
而家咧，我就 show 俾大家睇點樣用呢部陳年舊機去界 LEGO 隻手出嚟嘅。咁就界咗出嚟啦，真係全人手製造㗎。當初點樣入行咧？就係、學校 send 咗我嚟呢一度做呢個 field placement， 跟住做咗個 summer 之後咧，咁以前個老細啦就話：你有冇嘢做啊？畢業，我話冇啊。跟住佢得，翻嚟做啦，咁就開始咗啦。一做就做咗已經28年啦。嗱，一做完 parade 咧，第二日咧我就翻工噶啦。我哋一開始咧就會係 clean up 啦，拱翻啲花車啊，放翻好啲啊。即係譬如你而家見到呢度所有嘅嘢咧，我哋都會 organize 翻嘅。咁跟住先係慢慢先再整亂佢，係啦。邊啲 confirm 咗，然後再repeat 嘅，咁我哋就會開始有陣時去clean up 啦、repair 啦，一路做緊呢啲啦，即係已經 confirm 咗嘅咧，咁我哋亦都會開始即係會 deal with 一啲新嘅 sponsor 啦，咁就會話俾我哋聽佢哋想要嘅 idea 係乜嘢啊，有啲咩嘢喺個花車上邊咧，我哋就會開始 design 俾佢哋啦。由我哋攞到個 design 啦，即係 final approval，咁就大約2個月至2個半月度啦，咁就完成一架花車。咁通常你話開始 build 咧，就係我啦，或者另一個啦，因為已經冇晒人。
有咩技巧啊？
冇啊，
冇嘅，就咁掃嘅啫。
咁通常咧，我哋其實會 paper mache 嘅，咁但係咧，因為由於時間嘅關係啦，咁今次我哋就冇啦。但係我哋亦都會做唔同嘅工序，就係可能會 top prime， 用一啲比較結啲嘅油去油落去先嘅。
喂，原來都幾多白色窿窿，好難整得。
係啊，如果嗱你試下，可能咁樣即係整落去，出啲力啦，嗱，
出啲力，
嗱冇晒啦，
係喎，
係啦。
有幾大啊？
棵樹即刻整俾你睇下啦。基本上呢棵就係嗰棵樹啦。係。咁而家呢度加多層上去先。嗱呢度，嗱個身啦，呢嚿啦，加埋呢2嚿嘢啦。咁係啦，粒星喺呢度咯。咁就計翻比例，大約5尺半啦。呢個好細粒嘅啦。
咁其實呢啲發泡膠咧係用人手界嘅。
係啊，我界嘅，係啊。
有冇有機器嗰啲？我見到嗰啲。
機器呢個就係嗰部機器啦，好大年紀啊。即係計好晒，畫好晒 pattern， 呢啲即係會有 pattern 喺度咯。嗱，呢個就係我要嘅嘢啦。
哇！
今次我計過就有50件，我要計50件出嚟。
咁係咪一個正常嘅程序有咁多件嘅？定係呢個？
呢唔係呢個簡單。
簡單啲係啦，係嘛？係
啊。
幾時用風？幾時冇？
嗱，造型咧就好多時都會係用styrofoam。咁好似嗱呢度。個廊咁咧有個 base， 咁咧裏邊係有其他嘢喺度嘅，即係等於你啲骨咯，跟住就加啲肉上去。
但係就自己做一個 project 咁樣。
係啊，好似我自己做我而家做緊呢個。
assistant 幫你。
有陣時如果有人得閒咪咩咯，好多時。
開班授徒啊！你要。
唉，冇人肯學㗎。你講得啱，真係救火都試過。因為我哋以前係有嗰啲self-propel， 即係可以揸得㗎。咁試過有一次就係可能有塵啊有剩，咁我個 engine 着火，就一出咗路口就開始好大煙咁樣，我哋都要救火，真係。突發咧就其實touch wood 啦，咁就希望冇啦。咁但係亦都會發生過，我都試過我嗰個 section 其中一架花車咧就 broke down。咁咧我哋仲係嗰隻 self-propel 嗰隻，但係嗰一次咧就因為落大雪，我嗰個 section 嗰個spare driver 咧就冇出現到，咁咧我就冇架 tow truck，咁咧我要喺最後嗰度攞上嚟，跟住最弊就係當我想攞嗰個燈出嚟駁起佢嗰陣時，有人封咗個窿。 嗰陣時我啱啱即係做咗幾年嘅啫，好在有同事幫手，即刻用錘仔打穿咗個花車，攞翻嗰個燈出嚟駁翻好。嗰個搞好耐，已經係 over 一個 block 啦。之前嗰個花車已經去咗。
Warning that finances for the event have taken a turn.
The Santa Claus parade is $250,000 in
Financially, we need some help.
We need about $250,000.
It's quite possible that this will be the last Toronto Santa Claus parade after 120 years. Santa needs your help.
當然會有啲擔心啦，即係一個咁傳統嘅嘢冇咗，更何況呢個係我份工嚟㗎嘛，即係做咗咁多年，點都有感情啊。新一代對呢個傳統可能認知已經冇咁多啦，即係你知好多傳統嘅嘢都會開始式微，咁希望就即係點講，經濟好返啲，可以繼續延續落去，即係每個聖誕都可以即係為啲人帶嚟歡樂啦。如果真係冇咗呢，我諗我都唔知揾咩工做啦。我差唔多成大半世人都喺呢度做嘢啦，已經從未試過取消過。不論風雨又好，陰晴圓缺都好，我哋都會即係照樣會做嘅。即係有個原動力喺度嘅。我自己，我係點解做咗咁多年呢？係因為我第一年喺度做嗰陣時。我自己都唔知，即係其實跟住啲花車去啫嘛，咁見到咦點解咁多細路仔氧氣筒啊嗰樣嘢，原來嗰度係 Sick Kid Hospital。我哋嗰陣時係會一定 make sure 我哋嘅路線係會經過 Sick Kid Hospital 嘅。好多時喺嗰一 part 我都會行咯，嗰一 part 咧我就會叫我 driver，you go ahead，咁我就會行，我會行過晒成 part，同佢哋 high five 啊，握到手啊咁樣，即係嗰 part 都係我嘅 highlight 嚟。嗰一年開始咧，我就點講咧？我就覺得值得嘅呢份工嚇，就做咗咁耐啦。
We issued a bit of a rallying cry last year for Canadians, and we're so fortunate. We have so many corporate partners who've returned, support from all three levels of government, and then as well everyday Canadians, finding funds and able to contribute to us.
I'm beyond thrilled to announce that our parade is back. It will be held on Sunday, November the 23rd, so please mark your calendars.